Hello people. In this Python mini course, you are going to learn everything you need to know to start programming in Python. If you want to learn Python for data science, web development, AI/ML, then this course is perfect start for you. You don't need any prior knowledge in Python or programming to do this course. I am going to teach most basic to most important topics in this course. I am Devarshi Patel and I am a software developer by profession. This is Ritesh Vajaria sir who guided me throughout this course how to make practical and knowledgeable for you all. So thank you Ritesh sir for that. Before we start actual topics, let me give you some idea about what you can do with Python. Python is a multi-purpose language, so you can use it for variety of tasks like for web development, AI/ML, data analytics, and data science. And in fact, Python is a number one language for AI/ML and data science. Let me give you some of real life applications example where Python is used. They are YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, Pinterest, etc. These web apps frontend are made using Python framework Django. You can also use Python in automation. Python saves lot of your time and increase the productivity. All right. So first thing I want to do is to install Python in your system. You have to install Python in your system in order to use it. Okay. So let's go to Google and write Python, not operators. Just go to python.org. And here you can see welcome to python.org. Go click that and go to download section, and you can see here download the latest version for Windows. So click on that and just save this file into your system. Okay, and once it is downloaded, double click on that and finish this setup. Now if you are a Windows user, there will be one checkbox, add Python to path. Make sure to check that tick that box to work with Python in your systems. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to reinstall, but you guys can complete these steps. And for coding, we need one code editor. So we will use VS Code for that here. So you can see this Visual Studio Code. Go click on this website and you can see for Windows and Mac and Ubuntu, there are many options here. So choose according to that and click on the download button, and you can see save this and finish the setup. Okay. You can use any code editor if you are comfortable with another code editors. Okay. Feel free to do that. Now, once our setup is done, let's write our very first program in Python. So open the VS Code, and here you need to open one folder to work with in VS Code. Okay, so open folder. I have already opened the folder, so I'm not going to do it, but you guys can make one folder named coding or Python and open it. Now here we can see the symbol. By clicking on this, we can create a new file. Okay, so this is our first program. So let's name it first.py. Okay, here .py is the extension to make a Python file. Similar to when we save a notepad file, we use .txt extension, right? So this is similar to that. Now, in every programming language, we start our coding with writing hello world program in that language. Okay, so here we will going to do the same. In Python, we can use print, then parenthesis. This print and parenthesis will help us to print something on the terminal. Okay, and this is the inbuilt function of the Python. It means it is not something we have created. It is provided by Python to us. In this parenthesis, we can use double quote or we can use single quote. And whatever we want to print on the terminal, we need to write in between. Okay, so let's write hello and then world. Okay, you don't need to. Now hit the run button and here you go. See, we got the output in the terminal. So in Python, print is a function. By using that, we can print something on the terminal. You can see same thing in the slide. Okay, let me show you that. Here is the code. See, same thing, right? So let's go back here, and you can see we can use a single quote also. So let's me write hello, and then you can write your name too. Okay, hello Devarshi, and then again hit the run button. See, both are printed in the terminal. Okay, as easy as that. This was a very easy topic, and congratulations to you all as you completed your very first program in the Python. And let me show you this. Whatever we pass in the double quote is called as a string. Let me write it. It is string, or also we can say it sequence of characters. Okay, and this hash is used for comments in Python. Okay, so when you write some code, you maybe want to write something like, here I am printing hello world. Now this is giving us error because this is not part of code. This is common English line, right? So we need to comment it out. So we can use hash for that. Okay, this line will be not interpreted by Python's interpreter. It will read only these lines which are not commented. And also you can use control slash for comment and uncomment this line. Okay, I hope you get this topic. Now let's move on to another topic, which is variables. Okay, congratulations on completing this module. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. See you in the next module.